In this video, I'm going to show you how to email all your society's members using a digital dashboard. This means that you can send emails to all your members at once, keeping them updated with all your events and activities. Now to start with, we are on our society's dashboard, which is Digital Societies. You can access your own society by logging in with your own Muse account details. Now to access your digital members, click on Manage User Groups under this section. Usually there are 3 user groups available. Administrators basically consist of your committee members. Alumni and current members are your present members in your society. If you want to see the number of current members, then just click on Show Count and you can see the number of members there right now. When you want to communicate with your society members, click on Communications and add a new campaign. So the first thing is that you have to give your campaign a name. This is only visible to you and your committee members. So this is just for you guys to have a reference to. So I'm just gonna name it Test 01. Adding a purpose is optional since there is no asterisk sign beside it. So if you want to, you can do it. Campaign type is communication. If you want to add an age restriction, you can, but it's not necessary. What is important is that you have to click on this box if you want to send emails to these particular user groups. So to send emails to your current members, you can click on current members, and if you want to send out emails to your committee members as well, just type out admin and administrators from your group will appear. This is very essential as well. Users should be a member of any of these groups. To see your target audience, just click on this and you can see that this email is going to reach 4 people. The email address that the campaign will be sent from is usually set up as your society's email account. Now this is the email subject that your recipients will be able to see. So if this is an event, I'm just going to type out intro party details. If you don't want the SU logos to be in the beginning and end of your email, then please ensure to untick these boxes. If you do want the SU logo, then you can keep these ticked off. But if you don't want it, then please remember to do that. This is your email content. So this is where you have to put in the body of your email. Now, one of the main things to remember here is if you want to copy something from somewhere else, suppose if I want to copy this and paste it over here, then if I click on paste, I'd have to click on Ctrl+Shift+V to paste the entire text, because if I just press Ctrl+V, it may strip off some of the code in the backend from the source where I'm copying it from. So that's why it's important to press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste whatever text you're copying from a Word document or any other article in the internet. Now to create a link, if you want to create a link, you can just copy the link. Again, Ctrl+Shift+V, paste it. And if you select the link and click on this option, you can paste the link over here again, and you can put the display text as something else, something more general. So yeah, this is how it's going to appear in the email as a link. There are many ways to customize it. So one of the main things is if you want like a heading, you can just Yeah, this is how you can customize it. One more important thing to remember, if you want to make your email more personalized, then you can copy this thing and paste it over here. This basically means that all the emails that you send out to your committee members or your society members, the first name of them is going to be there after hey. So this just makes your email more personalized and just makes it look better if you want to add it. You can do lots of other things over here, which I'm going to leave it for you guys to explore. After you're done with everything, you can send it. So this will send the email to all the society members and the administrators of your society. And here you can see the pending campaign, which means that it's still sending emails to the recipients. And if you go to group past campaigns, you can see any past campaign that your society has done or was involved with.